when they see a cat in a backpack. They can't believe it. Is that really a cat? Is that what I'm seeing? They're always amazed at how calm she is. If we're going for a long walk, we have the stroller. When we take her around the city, we will put her in her backpack and she can look through the bubble. Willow is very active. She loves being up high. I don't know what her fascination is, but touching the ceiling. She'd fly through the living room, go on her cat tree, and then reach up and touch the ceiling. She also started climbing the window screens. Willow. So when she did actually start climbing trees outside, she was quite good at it. The first time my husband kind of panicked, but she'll only go up so far. She's always harnessed and tethered. All the training that I've done with her has been done without the aid of any treats. She's happy every time we take her out. And we just let her go at her own pace. When we do venture outside, she'll just want to sit and watch everything. She loves watching the birds. She wants them to get a little closer to her and play with them. No, don't eat the bug. But if we miss a few days and don't take her outside, then she'll get with zoomies and she'll start flying through the house. She becomes very mischievous. Guilty. I had real plants, had to get rid of them. She was sitting in them and chewing them. Did you put your toy there yourself? What a smart girl. One of her favorite toys is the bathroom sink plug. We never really know where it's going to pop up. Sometimes it's missing for a week, and next thing we know, it pops up in the bed. She is a handful, but she's filled our lives with love. Hey, sweetheart. She's living her best 9 lives.